Before starting your injection season, you want to ensure that your equipment is in good condition. You want to check your pressure gauge to ensure that it is functioning. You can do this by threading your manifold onto your cylinder, pressurizing it, and ensuring the needle is moving. Next, inspect the product control valve to ensure it's free from any buildup of old treason. If needed, use the EcoJect cleaner to clear it. Then check that the loading gun hose inserts and releases properly. If you're starting to notice wear and tear on the loading gun hose, such as threading, you can make a fresh cut to the hose with an X-Acto knife. Ensure that your product control valve is not leaking. You can check by pressurizing the system with some cleaner. Ensure your loading gun is connected. Turn the valve on and watch for any leaks. Finally, make sure there's an O-ring at the bottom of your manifold and that your barb fitting is secure with the hose seated flush at the base. Check that your product uptake hose has some flexibility. If it is brittle, it is time to replace it.